Hey, Kyle from Pure Storage, and in this quick demo video, we're going to show how to enable workload management using VMware Cloud Foundation NSXT-based edge clusters. So in the previous demo video, we set up our NSXT edge cluster. We can see them there in the edge cluster resource group. And what we're going to go ahead and do here is go into workload management, and we're going to add this cluster as a workload management solution. So we'll use the NSXT networking stack option. Our Redmond cluster is compatible because that's where the NSXT edge nodes were deployed. We'll go ahead and select the medium size control plane. That's our supervisor control plane. We will use VMFS for the control plane nodes. And then we will go ahead and select VMFS for the ephemeral disks. And then last but not least, we will use vVols for our image cache. Then we'll go ahead and click next. The next step is setting up our management network. We'll select our management distributed port group. Then we need 5 consecutive IP addresses on our management network that the supervisor VMs can use. So we'll start at .91 netmask gateway, and then we'll go ahead and provide our DNS server. Optionally, you can include your search domain, which I'll go ahead and do here. And then last but not least, we have a local NTP server that we'll specify here. Next, we will specify our workload network. We'll again select our distributed switch, the edge cluster that we created in part 1 of this video, and then ingress and egress. Because we are using a single VLAN for ingress and egress, that's why we had to manually create our edge cluster in the previous demo video, which we can see here. We're using a -26 for each, which should give us 64 IP addresses for ingress and egress. We'll go ahead and associate a content library to this, which was previously created. And then we'll go ahead and review and confirm, and that will go ahead and kick off the workload management enablement on the Redmond cluster. We can see it's configuring here. Typically, it takes anywhere from 35 to 50 minutes. We can see it's already created a namespace as resource group and started to deploy our supervisor control VMs. Thanks for watching. Please check our platform guide. There's a ton more information there. And in subsequent videos, we'll show you some fun stuff around persistent volumes, storage classes, and persistent volume claims. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.